Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a very simple makeup tutorial inspired by my very sporty outfit here today. Let's get started. I'll then go in with my ink lasting foundation from Face Shop. I really love this foundation because it's so long lasting and it has a pretty medium to full coverage, but at the same time it's not too matte. I love this foundation brush because it really helps to keep my foundation layer really thin. That way I can go in with like different layers without actually caking up my entire skin. If you're rushing for time, take a beauty blender and puff it in. I'm using my beauty blender dry because I don't really want to dilute the pigmentation of the foundation. We have already kind of applied it earlier with the brush, so this step is just to get rid of the streak marks. And then using the 3CE Waterfull Concealer. So I'll first use the same brush to give me a very, very even and thin layer. Then go in with my beauty blender to pat it in. Taking my 3 Cosmetics, I'm just applying it in a horizontal manner like this. Then I'll go in with my Benefit Brow Contour Pro. I'm using the shade Brown Light, and even this one I think is a little bit too dark for me. As usual, I'm just filling in my brows and I'm trying to give it a slight little arc. So I'm just starting with the lighter color. I typically don't really use the dark color for this because it's just way too dark for me. Just gonna take my Etude House Color My Brow. Using this as my spoolie, just kind of spread the color out. And I'll do it in a zigzag motion like this, comb it upwards. So by doing so, I can kind of give myself a very, very soft looking brow. Something that is not too structured. So you can see it looks like this now. I will be taking my contour brush that I usually use for my nose and I'll go in like this to just drag the color down and make it a little bit more like seamless and part of the contour. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with this matte brown color. This one is from Innisfree and it's in the shade 19. So I'm just applying it all across my entire eyelid, the whole eye socket. And using a matte brown shade like this will really help to deepen your eye socket and make your eyes look like bigger and more sultry without being too like over the top. Then I'll go in with a crease brush and I'm just gonna take a slightly deeper shade. I'm gonna be applying it on the outer third just to deepen the crease a little bit and wing it out. Something very, very, very blended out. It's just gonna be like a little shadow. I'm taking this shimmery shadow and just popping it all across my eyelids for that little bit more dimension. You guys know how much I love to draw my aegyo, which is my fake eye bags, so I'm just doing it with my Groove Proof pencil. Next up, I'm taking my Dermacol gel liner. This is a 16 hours Matic eyeliner, and I really like this one because it's so creamy. Then I'll go in with my Kat Von D Dagger liner and just very, very, very thinly kind of go into the lash line. I'll then go in with my Clinique, tiny little Clinique eye pencil, applying it on my lower third of my lash line. So I'm just taking a pair of wispy falsies. I'm picking my Sephora foundation brush. Okay, I'm not using this for foundation. And my Hoola bronzer. Last but not least, the lips. I'm using these two lip products together. My Dermacol number 14 Matte Mania. You guys know how much I love this. As well as my 3CE Style Nanda Matte Lip color in the shade 909, Smoked Rose. So first I'm taking my Matte Mania. And before it dries, I'm going in with this one. I really like these two colors mixed together. There we have it. So with this look, I like to put on a cap. You know, it just looks a lot more spotty, and this one's from Adidas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam, talk to me in the comments box down below, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm always there posting, and I'll see you next time.